Standard fold front-to-back walkers with seats can give people a hard time loading or navigating them in tight spaces. Our X Series folding Rollator Walkers folds in the middle to navigate with ease through narrow doorways, and they stand upright when folded. Loading and unloading the X Series Rollator Walkers is much easier than a bulky standard rollator. Also, compared to uprights, it puts a lot of pressure on shoulders and creates other problems. The Escape Rollator is among the best on the market, introducing the Escape X Series. This rollator has no cables that catch on door handles. The braking system is designed with a shaft in the middle of a housing. The rollator comes in 3 colors, red, blue, and gray, and you can order it with a seat height of 19, 21, and 24 inches. Accessories are available such as slow-down brake system, cup holder, walker tray, cane holder, and all come with a large attached bag. Escape has been a very popular mobility product as it has more of a sporty look compared to other walkers on the market. Lightweight, durable, large tires, and padded seats. Call 803-926-2224 and visit affordablemedicalusa.com to find Rollator Walkers today.